Now that's a big spider web. Spider webs are absolutely gorgeous. If you've ever got up early in the morning, like in the spring, when dew, just droplets of it form on a spider web, the intricacy and the beauty of it is astounding. They are literally a miracle of nature because they couldn't have made themselves. And the features of a spider that allowed that spider to make that spider web could never have made itself. You see, in order to make a spider web, the spider has to have 3 different kinds of silk. First, it will throw itself out into the wind while letting out a drag line of silk that it can attach to 3 different spots, making a Y-shaped structure on which to build its web. Then it will crawl out on those drag lines and jump from spot to spot, attaching circular attachments to strengthen the web and make the overall structure. At that point, it switches to the 3rd kind of silk, which is a sticky silk, which it now lets out, and every so often, periodically, almost on a microscopic basis, it will add a little drop of a sticky glue, drop after drop after drop, until the entire web is covered with little dabs of glue. This is what catches the flies and insects. The spider then goes to the center of the web, and it sits there waiting, sticking its 8 legs on different little radial lines. When it hears an insect hit, it feels that vibration, it will run out like a tightrope walker, only using its 8 legs to touch the non-sticky parts of the web, grab that insect with its legs while spinning it. It sends out a little wide net of silk, wrapping it up into a little cocoon so it can eat it later. Now, this is an amazingly complex endeavor. It has to have 3 different kinds of silk. It has to know exactly the design it needs. It has to know where to make the glue. It has to have the ability to make the glue. And furthermore, spiders typically do this at night. In total darkness, they know exactly where to step, what to do, and how not to step into the glue that it's just laid down. The instincts are astounding, and they could have never developed in some little evolutionary step-by-step process. All of that knowledge, all of that ability, all of that engineering complexity of the spinnerets and the chemistry to make the different kind of glues, all had to be there from the very beginning, or nothing would have worked. Spiders testify to the creativity, the genius, the beauty, and the intelligence of the spider's creator, and that would be Jesus Christ, who created everything.